How to fix echo during calls on Android. Now, whenever you're having a call with someone, video call or audio call, you're getting to hear echoes. Sometimes instead of you, this could be happening from the other person's end. So from the other person's end, there is some type of issue with their device that is causing this issue. But if this issue is happening for you on each and every call, then only we can come to a conclusion that the issue is something with your phone. Now again, with your phone, there are two types of issues: hardware issue or software issue. If it is a hardware issue, first of all, you can try to remove any sort of protective cases that you've applied. Try to clean your speaker ports and your microphone ports using a soft cloth or using a soft brush and see if that helps you, because sometimes that is causing that issue. What you can also do is simply try to lower your speaker volume. So whether you're using on call, you'll find the option to lower your speaker volume. Try to use Bluetooth mode, so you can try to connect your device to a Bluetooth device during calls, or you can turn it on and off between loudspeaker and see under which speaker you're having that issue as well. After that, what we will do is we'll simply open up settings on our Android phone. Then from the search bar, we will simply search for reset, and we'll tap on the option called reset all settings. And when I do that, tap on reset all settings and just try to go ahead and confirm with your password and see if that helps you solve the problem as well. And hopefully some of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.